Hello, children. Yes, let's start today's session. Today we are going to see lesson 3, Look Before You Leap, part 4 in English. Yes, let's start today's session. Today we are going to see the nouns, that is, naming words. First, we are going to see the PEP activity. Let us read the PEP activity first. Recall that the naming words is the name of a person, place, animal, or a thing. So the naming word can be name of a place, name of an animal, or name of a person, or either name of a object. Okay, it may be any name. That is called naming word. Naming word otherwise called as noun. Okay. Now we have 4 categories here, 4 kinds also we can say. First one is places, people, things, animals. So totally 4 kinds. Number 1, places. Places examples are school, house, garden, park, India, Japan. What are the examples of people? Boy, girl, man, Annika, Hush. And you can also say your name. So our name is also name of the people. For example, next one, things. Paper, computer, skirt, umbrella. We can say more examples like mobile, headset, then pencil, eraser. These are all the name of the things. Okay. Next one, name of the animals. For example, giraffe, monkey, tiger, lion, dog. We can also say lion, cheetah, cat. All these are name of the animals. Okay. Now compare the animals shown on the next page. They have given some animals pictures. We have to compare the two images and then we have to spot the difference by circling them. Okay. Here are the two animals in each set different. So they have given two animals which have some differences. That is our activity. Circle the differences. One is done for you. So they have done one example activity. We have to continue the activity by circling the differences. So look at the first one. Line. Both are line only, but can you identify the difference? Yes, the mane means the hair present in the head of a line. Head of a line, there are more hair, that is the mane. But in this line, no mane is there. So that is the difference in these pictures. Let's see the next picture. Look at the first one. What animal is this? Yes, this is a bird. What's the bird name? Bird name is peacock. Okay. Let's see the difference first, then we'll write the name of the animal. I have given one circle already, the feather. Look here, colorful feather as well as the long feathers are there. It is the tail of the peacock. So look at this peacock. This is also peacock only. Look at the different. There is no colorful feather. And look at the head also. On the head there is more color in this peacock, but in this peacock colorless. Am I right? These are the two differences. Let's write the name of the animal, peacock. And what's the name of this animal? Yes, this bird is peahen. Peacock, peahen. Okay, next one. What is this? This is a rooster. What are the different? Look at the head, the comb, the wattle present in each bird is different. So I'm circling that first. Then look at the tail. That is also different. So I'm circling that too. Now, what is the name of these birds? Rooster is the name of this bird and hen is the name of this bird. I hope you come to the topic. Am I right? You can identify the topic now. Before revealing the topic, let's do the next one also. Yes. Observe the lion has a male. The lioness does not. This is because the lion is a male. Very good. So the lion is a male animal, but the lioness is a female animal. This is our topic today. So we are going to see the feminine noun and the masculine noun. Okay? Either we can say like this, feminine gender or masculine gender. You can say you will be identifying as boy and girl, no? Each animal. Yes, that is the feminine and masculine gender. Boy means masculine, girl means feminine gender. Okay, fill in the blanks. Peacock is male. Okay, peahen is dash. If peacock is a male, then peahen will be automatically female. So feminine noun, but peacock is a masculine noun. Okay, that is boy. Peahen is a girl bird. Okay, that we call in English as feminine gender, masculine gender. Okay, living beings are usually male or female. These terms are used based on specific features that they have. These are also naming words. These are also naming words. Therefore, words such as lion or lioness and peacock or peahen are also naming words. Okay, in such way, not only the name of the object, for example, table, chair, not only the name of the person, Radha, Ravi, like that. Not only those names, as well as lion, lioness, girl, boy, father, mother. These are also nouns. These are also called as naming words. That is what given here. So look at the examples now. Let us look at some more examples. If we read these examples, we will come to an idea. Okay. At the left side, everything are male. At the right side, all the pictures are female pictures. Okay, male. First one is boy. What is the opposite gender of boy? Girl. Okay. Man. What is the opposite of man? Woman. Buck. What is the opposite of buck? Dove. Uncle. What is the opposite of uncle? Auntie. These and all already you know. Am I right? Yes. Let's move to the next page. Bull. Cow. These are also opposites. Okay. Opposite gender. Opposite nouns. Now try this. We are going to see the companion activities first, then we'll come back here. Word play. Draw lines to match the naming words that are male with their female pairs. Okay, we are going to draw lines and match the male and female pictures. Okay, king. What is the pair of the king? Queen. Very good. The pair of man? Woman. The opposite of grandfather? Grandmother. Prince? Princess. Bull. Cow. Boy. Girl. Next page. Gander. What is the opposite of gander? Goose. Buck. Doe. Yes, this is very easy, am I right? Yes, children. Now let's move to the next companion activity 3G. Rewrite these sentences with the male or female forms of the naming words given in bold. one is done for you. They have given some sentences. In that sentence, they have highlighted the feminine or masculine nouns. Okay, we have to change and write the opposite gender of that nouns. So first one is Ram loves his sister. What is the opposite of sister? Brother. You can say it as opposite or the feminine or masculine noun. Okay. Okay, Ram loves his brother. Instead of sister, we have written here brother. Okay. Now next one. Sheila has a daughter. What is the opposite gender of daughter? Opposite. That is, daughter is a feminine gender. So what is the opposite of that? Son. Son is the opposite of daughter. Okay. There is a girl with the in the picture. I'm sorry. There is a girl in the picture. Instead of girl, we have written here boy. Usha stays with her grandmother. Instead of grandmother, what should we write? Can you guess? That's good. So Usha stays with her grandfather. This is right. Lata lives with her aunt. Instead of aunt, what should we write? Uncle. Rohan went out with his mother. Instead of mother, what should we write? Father. Very good. My niece is 5 years old. What is the opposite of nice? Nephew. So this is the opposite of nice. We have completed this activity. Let's move to the next one. Project time. Work in team. List 5 people who help you every day with different things. There could be your family members, friends, or helpers. Discuss with your teammates about how they help you. Then think about what action they may be doing now. So we have to think about the people, 5 people, those who are helping us in our daily life. Then we should write how are they helping. After writing, we have to draw what would they doing right now. What would they be doing right now? Okay, we should write that also. Are you clear? Yes, this is your project time activity. Actually, you can think and write. Okay, I'll give you the examples. You know, don't want to copy these examples. You just keep it in mind and do the activity on your own. Okay, first one, people who help me. They have chosen brother. Okay, brother. How he helps me do my home fun. This is the example they have given. So helps me do my home fun as the example. Next one, at the right side, action they may be doing now. How he is helping us daily, that we will write at the left side. What action will be he doing, that is we have to write at the right side. Okay, what action will he be doing, we have to write at the right side. Okay, let's go to the next one. This is our activity. Person, we have to write the person. For example, I have written here father. How they help me? Helps me to play chess. You notice this, children? I think you notice this. Helps. Look at the word helps. Okay, helps means what? Yes, it is an routine action. It is a routine action actually. Yes comes no, so it is a routine action. We should write the ongoing action sentence also. That is what we are going to write next. Action, I have written here bake. This is the actual action word. Look here, look at the sentence. My father is dash is baking. Is the be form verb. Bake is the action word. We have added ing with that. Okay, so my father is baking. This is important activity which will make you execute your understanding, which will make you express your understanding. Okay, you can demonstrate here. Person. Next person is who? I have chosen my mother. Okay, it helps me to write. helps. I have added yes with the word helps. So this is the routine action as I said earlier. Action. What will she be doing now? Cook. My mother is cooking here, which is the action word. Cook is the action word. Is the be form verb. Ing. We have added ing also. I hope you all understood, children. Let's move to the next one. Next person, brother. Helps me to do my home fun. Here also helps. Helps with the action word. We add yes with that because the helping is happening daily. It is a routine action. Next one, at the right side I have written sit. My brother is sitting. This is the be form verb. Very good. Sitting. Sit plus ing. It is the ongoing action. I hope you all understood, children. Yes, let's move to the next activity. Now try this activity. This is actually your studio activity. How many members of your family are male? Think about it, children. How many members of your family are male? Male means, already I told you, masculine noun, that is boy. How many are female? Female means feminine noun, that is girl. You have to think about the number of family members, who how many members are male and how many members are female. Write one sentence describing each. We have to write their name, that is father, mother, like that. Father, mother, brother, sister, nephew, niece, uncle, aunt. We can write anything. Right, like that you have to write and describe them. Okay, let's see the example first. Left side, as usual, left side everything, all the sentences should be about the male members. Right side, all the sentences should be about female members. So first, male member, father. My father is a good cook. My father is a good cook. Mother, my mother is a teacher. So we have to write next one. I have written here brother. My brother is a good artist. I have written like that. Sister, my sister is a good dancer. So like this you can write and describe your family members. So I hope you all enjoyed today's session. Complete all the activities and take care. Be safe. Thank you, children.